Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to check processing orders in Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to check processing orders in your Temu account, first open up your Temu app on your phone, and after opening your Temu app guys, in on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of icons available for us, and at the middle section of those buttons there is the U button available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and when you land over here you can see your orders button available for us just below the messages. Tap on your orders, and over here again when you land on this interface at the top of the screen, we are currently on the all orders section of the Temu. But if you tap on the processing orders over here, all of your processing orders from your Temu account or the Temu will be available over here or will be shown to you over here. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to check processing orders in Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.